probably saying, what am I doing with this rubber belt? Well, this rubber belt has been on this truck for approximately 111,000 miles. And it's been along with this idler pulley and this tensioner that appear to be original. Not original equipment, Daco. So it has been changed within 100,000 miles. But these three combined made a squeaking noise, whether the engine was running at idle, or I'm giving it gas, or during the heavy rainstorms we had, when my truck would go through heavy water, it would splash onto the belt and stop the power steering from working. So this belt's been slipping. All right, so I spent this morning, started at about, needed a part, so it started about 11:30. It is now 5 minutes to 2. It's all done. Everything's great. Everything's good. She starts up. She runs very quiet once again, like when I first got her. And learn how to work on your own vehicles to save yourself some money. Almost everything is on YouTube right now, and if you want to save this changing these 3 parts would have been upwards of $700. All right. If I had a lift, I could have got this done in an hour, but I had to work on the ground, and I was limited in space, so I wasn't able to do as quick a job as I thought I could. But I changed belts on my other previous cars, but they had like multiple belts, older cars. This one here, Toyota Tundra, running great, 5.7 liter V8. And I advise you, learn how to work on your vehicles to save yourself some money, because this is getting ridiculous with these prices. All right. Well, this is Pastor T, wishing you a good day. May God be with you. And I think I'm going to start doing a addition to this channel on godly advice, because it seems like this world, well, we all need godly advice just to get through the day. All right. So God bless. Thank you very much for joining me, and I appreciate you. And may you have a blessed day. What? You want to hear it run? Oh, my bad. Get up close with the microphone. No squeals. She good. God bless. Love the V8. Big old cross member under here. Get the horses out. Never worked any vehicle without a horse, or 2 or 3 or 4. And this isn't the AJ Foy pit crew. We drop our vehicles down slowly. I know it's a truck. I don't need to break anything by being careless. She needs a wash. I gotta get her detailed. She a good truck. Should have bought her back when I was a teenager. Should have had a pickup. But I lived in the Bronx, so